Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how digital products helped me create monthly passive income as a mom. And this is a helpful guide for beginners. So let's just jump straight into the video. Hey friend, I'm Terry. I am a 33-year-old mom. I have a 4-year-old and I actually am pregnant with my second. I'm 8 months pregnant, by the way. But pretty much I do sell digital products and I do have a digital business. So I did want to share exactly how digital products help me create consistent monthly passive income. Now, if you didn't know, this channel used to be called Terry's Side Hustles. If you've been around that long, let me know in the comments. But pretty much I've tried every side hustle you could name. So some of the first ones were like Poshmark and Instacart and Postmates. So if you go back to my channel, view my old videos, you can definitely see that. But I did want to do more passive income, something at home where I didn't, have to ship anything off. Because, with Poshmark, you sell used clothes. And then obviously with delivery apps, you have to leave your house. So that's when I discovered digital products. So some of the first digital products that I did sell was working at a medical shop. This was the YouTube video to match the digital product. Pretty much I would drop a video showing people how I got hired. This is the coolest job I ever had in my life, by the way. You make good money at these shops if it's legal in your state, but pretty much showed people how I got hired, and people start asking me, oh, what do I do? Can you help me? So I created an ebook around that. Any questions that I had, I pretty much answered it in that ebook. I still get sales for that ebook till this day. And my second digital product was this one, pretty much how I made 14K drop shipping when I had a drop shipping boutique. This YouTube video right here changed my life forever. So I made 14K. It wasn't in like a day or a month. No, people be saying they did that. Who knows if it's true, but it took me like a year and some change to make these type of sales. And pretty much I made the sales by having a brand ambassador program. So everybody wanted the template. So I created another ebook around that. And this ebook still gets sales till this day as well. It's been like over 4 or 5 years. Like when I say passive, I really, really do mean that. So when I say digital, I do mean that. No inventory, no shipping, and it's very low risk. So I love this like digital business that I do have. I feel like it is passive income, and I'm happy that I did start selling digital products. Now, if you are interested in learning exactly what I do, I can help you. Click the link in the description. I do have a few options, and I do have a freebie showing you exactly what I do. I'm going to get more into that into the video, but pretty much I sell pre-built Shopify websites. And yeah, you can click the link in the description to get started today. All right, so let's get into how I started making the sales. This is probably the most important part. People want to know, how did I even promote this? How did I make the money? So of course, my whole content strategy is based around YouTube. That's probably how you found this video. I literally only been promoting my business on YouTube, maybe tried other platforms back in the day, but they never worked. Like literally 100% of my sales come from YouTube. So I pretty much would create a video about a certain topic, and I put that link to my digital product in the description of the YouTube video. Of course, I sell all my digital products on Shopify. That's the only platform I really ever used. For like another cheap free option, I would suggest Gumroad. I used to sell my first digital product on Gumroad, but then I wanted more of a better platform. So then I went to Shopify. So some of my current hustles are, like I said, I still sell the same digital products I showed you guys in the beginning, like I said. And then that video about me making 14K drop shipping with the online boutique, people started asking me, how much do I charge to make a pre-built Shopify website? Like fashion, makeup, hair, all that. So pretty much I started selling pre-built Shopify stores. I do custom stores as well. Shopify, if you need a website, link in the description to book me. But yes, some of these side hustles, like they all came from YouTube pretty much. So these are some of my sales I'm going to show you guys. I sell anything from like something being free to $5 all the way to $400 for my custom Shopify websites. Even though some people do charge more than that, some people probably charge $1,000. It is my price point right now, but like I said, I love when I get that sale. I don't have to ship anything out, and I don't have to leave my house. So I do love my digital business, and I will always have it. And then maybe you're like, okay, how am I supposed to promote my digital product? I don't want to show my face. Well, try faceless, sis. It's so many ways you can get B-roll or the back of your head or just your desk setup, your laptop. Like, you don't even have to show your face. I've been faceless for a while. Like, do voiceovers, put pictures of yourself, like brand your digital business. Like, you do not have to show up. I used to show my face a while back, but I feel like as a mom, it's just easier for me to pump out content if I'm faceless. So pretty much having a digital business or selling digital products, I do feel like it's perfect for moms or just anybody, period. Like, you just got to start. Don't overthink it. If you overthink it, you're not going to start. You're going to procrastinate, like the internet is free. I started by people asking me questions. Pretty much start with what you already know. What do your family and friends come to you asking you for help with? Everybody has some type of knowledge that we can sell. I feel like you just got to figure it out. And whatever they come to you for, that's probably it. So it's like pretty simple. You don't have to be tech savvy. If you need help, click the link in the description. And like I said, it's 2026, y'all. Y'all better have more than one stream of income. And it should be a digital business because, like I said, it's easy. Digital products. See you guys in the next video. Bye.